Here we have a 2017 BMW 320d M Sports. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We've got a M Performance kit on this car, as well as the black kidney grills. Coming around to this corner you'll see the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles. Now the paint code on this is the Alpine White exterior paintwork. We've got the M Sports brakes as well. M Sports badging on the side. We've got the black side skirt down below. Shark fin antenna, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the black spoiler on the rear as well, which really sets it off nicely. Now you've also got a reversing parking sensor with visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust tips on the left-hand side there as well. And as you can see, the car itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now going on to the interior next, we have got a full leather interior. We've got ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. You've also got the vents in the middle just there. Coming onto the doors, we've got a gloss black trim, brushed metal handle and integrated speakers. Coming on to the front, that same full leather interior. Now on the doors, you'll notice we've got a Harman Kardon sound system in here. Electric window, wing mirror controls with electric windows controls just there as well. Stepping inside, auto lights on our right. Now we'll close the door up and start the vehicle up. Foot and brake, start stop button just behind, and we are away. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have got a low fuel range, but that's nothing to worry about. Taking a step back, multifunctional steering wheel with things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the vehicle. Auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, engine start stop button just behind with start stop technology, infotainment screen in the middle with features like satellite navigation, media connectivity, DAB and FM radio, as well as telephone connectivity. Put the car into reverse, we've got a visual display of the rear sensor just there. We've also got different driving modes in this car, so if I put the car back into park, you'll see we've got things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, each one having different driving characteristics, so you can pick and choose dependent on your driving style. Stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, heated seats for both front passengers, additional storage space with 2 good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. We've got our gear stick here. We can also take manual control like so. Back into park, traction control, different mode selects, shortcuts here for the infotainment screen with our control wheel, soft touch leather armrest which does also double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.